Good morning, YouTube. It's Rob from Milwaukee Bikers, and I'm here at House of Harley, Harley Davidson dealership in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And I just rode up here. We're going to be doing a ride this morning up to a place called Speedcore, where they make accessories for motorcycles and cars. Wanted to come check it out. Saw the invite on Facebook, and I didn't check the weather beforehand, so here we are. Wet. Up where I live, north of town, it was sunny skies, you know, dry. Didn't check the weather. I checked the weather for where I live. Rode 30 minutes south, and here I am. My legs are a little damp. I'm a little damp, but my spirit's not. I've got a makeshift seat cover on my bike. I don't know if you can see that over there or not. It's a couple of towels and gloves and a water bottle so it doesn't blow off. Hopefully my seat stays dry enough so I don't get wet sitting on it. We'll see who all shows up here. I saw a couple of bikes just pull in, so hopefully it's still on. But I would certainly understand if people decided not to come because of the rain. But we'll see.
Absolutely.
And what was your name again?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Bustamante. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Brandon. I'm Rob.
Rob.
Yep, this is cool. This is cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get those today. Look at Bella chilling with the Speedcore glasses. All right, so I think the plan here is to get these side markers done. And it'll look like this. That's cool.
Probably, I think would look better on your bike.
I would go gloss. Yeah, because it's shiny. Yeah, the whole rest of the bike's shiny except for the exhaust.
I mean, you could go either way, honestly, with your bike.
Yeah.
Glass or stuff. You got the satin pipes, matte finish there.
Yeah, I think it's just the pipes is the only thing that's, everything else is glossy. Which I like shiny, I just don't like chrome shiny.
Yeah.
I like black shiny. Of course, now that I rode it through the rain, it's half shiny. Little not shiny there.
Yeah, yep. My bike was clean too yesterday. This stuff cleans up pretty good too.
Well, Brandon sold it. I'm like, oh, and I'm looking at my bike and I'm like, I don't like the red on the side of my bike. There you go. 4. And after. All right, back from the ride this morning. You saw the install on the side markers, so now I got the side marker delete on. Yes, the bike looks so good without those red markers on the side. And now I'm halfway through washing it. Doused her down with some quick wash. Now I'm about to rinse her off, polish her down. It's a good day. It really is. Right after some polishing, I now have a clean motorcycle, or at least clean by my standards. So in the comments, tell me what spots you see on the bike. You'll find some, I promise. Here it comes. Okay, now that you got a good look at her, I think what I'm going to do now is introduce you to her. So this has been my bike since 2019. Did I get it in 2018? I might have bought it early. No, I got it in March of 19, February of 19. Sound like my grandfather. Anyway, I got this one in 2019. Got a lot of stuff on it. Let me run you through all of it here. So let's see, to start, let's start up front here. Very first thing here. So we've got the Harley Davidson LED Daymaker lamp, and then the visor trim ring. We've got the wrapped front fender, which does a really nice job of showing off the orange pinstripe that I had put on the wheel. And one thing you'll notice about this bike is it did start with this orange Harley Davidson poison name, and then I added the orange spark plug lines, just a little bit of orange on the brake pedal, the orange pinstripes on the front rear wheel, just a little bit of orange down here, and I'm still putting a little orange here and there on the bike just because a little bit of orange does a great job. See, I got a new air cleaner. Last summer I put in the Empire collection for the foot controls and the rear foot pegs. Oh, and the highway pegs. There you go. That's something that I missed. That doesn't look very clean. Kahuna grips. Kahuna grips with a bar and shield inlet that is red, but it almost looks orange, so it works. I don't know if you saw it or not. I got the Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 boom audio system from Harley. 400 watt 4-speaker system. Love it. I got these bad boys right here to keep this beautiful little line from getting scratched up when I put the passenger pillion on. Got a blacked out thumb screw. Luggage stuff. Exhaust. So Cobra slip-ons. Still stock headers. Let's see what else. Windshield. Hand painted by Ray Dre. It's Willie G's right hand man for decades. But he painted that for me. Love it. Let's see, I've got the LED turn signals. LED signals back here. I got the wrapped fender plate, wrapped plate thing here, which also lights up. And then the seat, you probably saw the seat. So this is not a stock seat. It's a CVO seat off of a 2013 CVO. And yeah, that seat still fits my 19, and even the bikes that you can buy today, it'll still fit. So a few things, and I love this bike. The new CVOs though, if you saw the video for the new CVOs, whoo, it's hard to get me to look at another bike and think I would like it more than mine, because I love my bike and I've been all over on this bike. So anyhow, I do really love my bike. I've been to Sturgis on it multiple times. I've been to down south on it. Went to Nashville last October. Did a ride 2 summers ago all around the southeast. And you know, now I've got these cool little inserts that I just installed today, which are blacked out. And the bike just keeps on getting better. Honestly, the only thing I would ever do to this bike if I were to keep it long term is to put some handlebars on it that are a little higher, because I'm a tall guy. But I really do love this bike. And one day I might have to let her go. Not today though. Not today.